Hello everyone, welcome back. So, third edition of Why Are We Even Doing an Unboxing? So today we'll be looking at the Lucario VSTAR Premium Collection. So, what do we have here? So we have a Lucario V promo, we have a Lucario VSTAR, an oversized VSTAR, and a very good looking pin. Let's check out the back. So we have one etched promo featuring Lucario V, promo Lucario VSTAR, oversized VSTAR, a colorful pin, metallic coin, acrylic VSTAR marker, 6 booster packs, and a code card. Alright, so that's what we'll be checking out today. So let me open this here. Now, if some of you might be wondering why I'm opening it with my finger, I like to keep the boxes, so actually using my hand to open it. If you notice, I get a clean opening. So that's that side there. Put this over, pop this out. Hopefully nothing falls. Ooh, something's falling. I guess we opened it the wrong way. Why wasn't there anything holding it like this one here? There wasn't anything holding it there. Alright, so let me pop the coin out since we already have this here. The rest of that here for now. Out. Flip this over. Dash that away. And we're gonna have a look at our Lucario VSTAR promo. Very colorful. $120 plus damage. Very nice. Alright, so I'm gonna rest that there. And our coin. Our Lucario coin. Nice color. Color of... Is it the color of him or the color of his aura? Oh, it does have it, but I guess it wasn't holding in place. Let's put that to the side. And this is our Lucario V promo. Nice outline. Alright, so let me rest that. Put that there. So what next do we look at? Our oversized card. Our oversized Lucario VSTAR. I wonder if they'll ever start to make oversized energy. I'm referring to that guy that went into the Pokémon champion with all oversized cards, and the only reason he lost was because he didn't have any energies basically. So, but feasibility of that, probability of that happening. This pin, I love this pin. I love this pin. The quality of this pin, it's very sturdy. Is that glued? Yeah, that looks glued. But I guess it's the back pin I'm more feeling here. Yes, it's more the back pin, but overall this is a very nice pin. Let's see, rest that up there. And our acrylic VSTAR marker. Let's see here. There's that there, and our 6 booster packs for today. I'm kind of tired of seeing Chilling Rain and I think it's Battle Styles booster pack, because I've collected so many of them, and it's like I have so many of those cards. It kind of gets annoying to be collecting so many. So we have 3 Fusion Strike, 2 Brilliant Star, and 1 Chilling Rain. Now hopefully today I get well, obviously I don't have each card from the Chilling Rain set, but hopefully I get something that I don't have. But we all know the probability of getting something we don't have is very low. I'm feeling some sort of texture on that one there. So hopefully it's something nice there. So we have Energy, Cybold. I think we're not seeing anything dark there. Curlia, Agatha and her Gengar, Scorbunny, Shuppet, Cupfu, Blitzel. Yeah, this is one of the cards I have so many of. Blitzel, Quillfish, Gardevoir foil. I think I have a Gardevoir, but I don't think I have a foil of it. So I guess we got something that we don't have. I guess one day I'll have to do a video of what I've got. Oh my god. Yo, a Galarian Zapdos V. My full art Galarian Zapdos V. Yo. I take back what I said. I guess collecting so much, eventually you might get something that you don't have. And I definitely don't have this here. Wow. The first pack, is there anything else? No, the first pack. Wow. I guess I shouldn't be expecting anything else, should I? Should I be expecting anything else? Hi. Alright, so our Brilliant Star. Come on. No, wrong place. There. You're supposed to go over there. 4 to the front. Doesn't feel any different. No, doesn't look any different. Alright, Fighting Energy, a Crawdont, Collapsed Stadium, Claydol. It's actually a nice design for the Claydol. The destruction, chaos in the background. Cherubi. Kind of looking for a Cherubi right now in Pokemon Arceus, but it's very hard to find. Sock, Corfish, Goldet, Chimecho. I think we just saw the foil, and the foil is a Breloom. A foil Breloom. What's in the background? Okay, so it's just a forest in the background. Alright, so our other rare, it's a Garchomp foil. Nice. Is this... I wonder if the Gibble and the Gabite I got from the Morph Peckle set, if it was from the Brilliant Star, meaning I got the Evolution series there. I guess I'll have to check. This bag didn't open. as I would like it to open. Alright, so what are we getting from this one here? 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, I didn't feel the last one. Let me feel it and see if we can judge what is here. Feels normal. Alright, electric. Another grotto. Barry. Clank. Goldet, another Goldet, another Chimecho. A Staryu. A Riolu. Going nicely with our Lucario. A Starly with, is the Lucario in the same? No, that's a promo. Let me see. I wonder if they can work together even though they're promo. Starly and a foil Dedenne. Wait, what am I saying? Are you allowed to use cards from different sets? I think you are. I gotta check it out. I think you are. A Dedenne. And our foil, no foil, our rare, it's a Muck. What's in the background? That's a lot of garbage. Yes, our Muck. So our Dedenne is our foil there. Alright, so we've actually had a good run so far. 3 more packs to go. Zapdos, Garchomp, Dedenne. What more could I want? Well, Fusion Strike. Let's see what we're gonna get here. Hopefully something nice also. Alright, so let's feel this one. What do we have here? Feels normal. Fire Energy. A Zoroark. I really don't like when they treat these kind of Pokemons as an uncommon type. Why didn't they make it as a rare? Zoroark is such a cool Pokemon. A Simipour, Metapod, a Baltoy, a Galarian Corsola, Quillfish, a Vulpix. And our foil, not as yet, Chansey. And our foil, a Mudkip. Foiled Mudkip. And our rare for today, a Toxicroak. Yes, if you can remember from our previous video, I find Krogunk a bit annoying because he's always so in the game in Pokemon Legends Arceus. I find him annoying because he's so aggressive. He's always using Mud Shot at you, and it follows you. It is very annoying. Missed the card there. I wonder if it's from the top or the bottom. Oh, from the top. Alright. But I find Pokemon Legends Arceus very realistic in terms of how it is like you going out into the wild and Pokemon just attacking you randomly. Alright, so our second Fusion Strike pack. Eldegoss, not Gross, Ghost. A Galarian Berserker. Headbang. Fusion Strike Energy. Totodile. Phantom. Snorlax. Snom. Dreepy. What is that? Is that a Rufflet? No, that's not Rufflet. That is what is it? What is it? Corviknight. Corviknight is the evolved form. Have I not played that so long ago that I forgot? So Gorbis. our foil for today for this pack, Gorbis, and that's a rare at the bottom there. Yeah, so why couldn't Zoroark have been a rare if Gorbis is a rare? And Landorus. I was working on completing the Pokemon Legends Pokedex, and I recently caught a Landorus there also. Not bad. This pack is not bad. The foil Landorus, and our final pack for today. That one opened nicely. It's still bothering me that it's Corviknight. What is it before? What is it? Why can't I remember? Hopefully we pull the card here. So a Fighting Energy, a Primeape, Simipour, Bugcatcher, Gossifleur, Panpour. So I guess we have that collection there of Simipour and Panpour. We have an Eevee, Shelmet, Shinx, and another foil Klefki. I think I remember collecting a foil Klefki. And our final rare, a Feraligatr. Nice. This is a wonderful opening. So we got in this opening we got a Galarian Zapdos V full art. We got a foiled Garchomp, a foiled Dedenne, let's see, what was the foil here? Foil Mudkip, a foiled Landorus, and finally a foil Toxicroak. Say what Toxicroak? A foil Feraligatr. Wonderful. It was a wonderful opening. This was a wonderful opening. Alright, thank you guys for viewing.